doing anything.
It is.
It's
We're on
recording.
camera.
It's recorded.
Okay. Today we're going to look at and we're going to measure the volume of liquids when we use different containers.
We know water is liquid.
But we can see how there's different, it looks like there's different amounts of water. So we're going to compare that, and we're going to see how our notes compared to our students also.
Miss
Yes.
Thompson, how did you get this water? It looks like
It
there's
I know.
something
something
that
down.
looks like pee.
So we have three.
No, it's not.
Hold
He
on.
said a nasty word.
Yep.
Just
Hold on.
Don't say it.
Okay.
I'm recording.
So can someone, quiet hand, tell me what is volume? What do you think of when I say volume? Jordan?
volume means to keep your volume down.
Right, it's kind of like the amount of space that something takes up, right? Remember, Miss Beeman? We're not touching right now,
We're not touching.
okay? So I want you to think in your head, does a container change its shape when I pour water into it? Does the plastic change?
No.
No, it doesn't, does it?
No.
Okay?
Miss
So,
Thompson, I
yes.
was wondering,
mhm.
could water, if you did water in, I could make it,
that
it could
cold
look
water?
like this. You know, water
Yes,
could
that
be like
would look neat, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Is
like
that
this, like this.
No,
Maybe this
it's cold.
Like
Okay.
this one looks like.
All right, right now I am doing the talking, and let me just review our rules for group.
No,
For
touch
group,
it.
there's no. Right now I need you to keep your hands here at the table, and I'll go grab you guys some pencils.
Oh,
But
sharp
let's
pencils?
remember, we don't interrupt each other, okay? And you're listening to me for just a second. Let me grab your pencils, guys.
Sharpen pencils? Here's my pencil. I want a sharpen pencil.
Go, Miss Thompson, race around the world.
I want a sharpen pencil.
Let's go sit the camera. I need
We wanted a sharpen pencil.
I had to grab these real quick. All right, thank you guys.
Stop!
Right now you're thinking in your head and listening ears. Okay, so the way I want you to write your names at the top. And remember, like I said, remember our group rules where we don't interrupt each other and you're listening right now. So let me see your name at the top, Mr. Omar. Good job. Good job.
She can call you Mr. Omar if she wants.
Okay, so what we're going to do next is I want you to predict
What is predict?
whether these containers have the same amount of water. So let's look at number one.
Hey, this
it's
looks
the
like
tall
a
one.
lighthouse.
Uh-huh.
That's
So we're looking at number one, and let's make a prediction. Do you think this has the same amount of water as these containers?
No.
Or do you think it has less amount of water?
No.
Or maybe the same?
No. More.
Okay, so under your prediction, write what you think, Jordan. Do you think this has more or less?
This might have 100.
Think in your head and then write. Okay? Okay.
Miss Thompson.
Omar, you're listening to Miss Thompson right now. You can tell me when we're done.
If you had this
Omar,
kind
what
of-
did I just say? I need you to
Listen to the
me.
teacher.
All right. So let's look at this next one. And let's think about a prediction on this one. So let's think in our heads, does this have more? Does it have the same?
No.
Or do you think it has less water than these guys?
Medium?
Here.
I think it has
So would it have, do you think this has more water than these?
No.
And then you will write that here.
I just said medium.
Roger.
Roger.
Roger, I need you to write your
God.
prediction. Yoo-hoo. Write your prediction right here.
Yes.
How do you spell less?
L-E-S-S.
Roger, write your prediction.
Oh,
Does this have more water? Does it have less water?
2 S's.
Can you write that right here, Roger?
1 L.
Okay.
Can you see my hand?
Or do you think it has the same? Okay? And then we'll do it one more time. We're going to make one more prediction.
Did I just No, I didn't.
Okay? Let's look at this, Roger, okay? Does this have more water?
Less.
Then write your prediction. Write your prediction here, Roger. Does this guy have more water or less water?
Less.
Okay?
Miss Thompson, if it's okay, I can put medium.
That is perfect. That is a great answer. So let's see how much water it really has. I have a measuring cup.
There's no water.
I'll need to do the pouring just because I'm a
Can
guest
I do it?
here.
I never
guys.
did pouring before. Yes,
Okay.
Thompson.
You guys, I'm sure you've used measuring cups before in
No.
science.
No. Can I just?
Okay.
Can I do it? I never did.
Can you mix
Okay.
it up?
Please. Hold on.
All right.
That has
So
more.
Felicia, can you tell me, what does it say right there?
1 cup. Oh, the pink.
Okay.
Ah.
So over
It's-
here in this next column, you're going to write 1 cup.
1 cup.
Uh-huh. Okay.
1 cup.
No, the one thing.
Hold on, I just want to double check the camera.
Hey,
Make sure he's still working.
double check the camera.
Perfect.
Can I see?
Let me
Nope,
see.
nope. Boys. This was my job. Jordan. Okay, so we know this guy, Roger, how much was in here?
That looks like
that
a
we just
video
measured?
game.
How much was in here?
1.
1 cup. All right, let me pour this. I'm going to put it on paper
That's
towels.
not gonna happen.
And Omar,
It's the.
It's medium.
It's medium.
what does that say?
1 cup.
It's, wow.
It's the same.
Okay.
I put the same.
So right here, 1 cup.
I was right.
How
Under
is
the-
it the same?
Under the actual amount.
Stop.
Gentlemen, let's think in our head. Let's think in our
Omar
head.
keep his volume down.
Jordan, I'll work with Omar.
Volume.
Let's do it one more time.
But with this one, then we get to go to PE.
1 cup.
Close? We're getting close, honey.
Another 1 cup.
Okay.
Can we put?
Roger,
Can we put 2
how much
in?
is in that one?
1 cup.
1 cup. So at the bottom here,
It's the
under
same.
the actual amount, you're
Same?
writing 1
Hey,
cup.
I have an idea. What
Hold
happens
on.
if you put them all
Mhm.
together? It won't be 1 cup anymore.
Ew.
But
Well,
we need to put them
We'll
together
answer
so
that question
float.
in 1 second.
It
Okay?
was done.
1 more, less.
Okay, let's
less,
do it.
1 cup.
So
1
let's
cup.
look at your answers. Do our answers compare to, are they the same as others?
No.
Let's compare
No.
Roger and Felicia. What was your prediction for number 1, Felicia?
more?
And Roger too. So we thought this guy had more water, didn't we?
Yes.
It's
Okay.
Kangaroo. It's
Jordan.
Joey.
Excuse me,
No,
we're
I know
listening to
because
Miss Thompson.
But
Jordan,
it's
under prediction, how much water did you think this guy had? Roger, we're listening to Jordan.
Less.
He
Excuse
thought
me.
it was less, right? Because the
I thought he
container's
was
a little bit
medium.
shorter.
I thought he was medium.
And then Felicia, what did you write for your
It's
prediction?
Felicia.
Felicia, for the prediction. Uh-huh.
Same.
You thought they had the same. Uh-huh.
Because it kept adding up. Is that some? I
Uh-huh.
think that's
Very
some.
good.
I haven't did one.
So very good. So you thought it was the same.
Let's put them in.
But how much water, it turns out, Jordan, how much water was it? Was it the same or different?
Same.
So
Actual
Omar.
amount.
Omar, how were your predictions? Because it turned out that the actual amount turned out to be the same, didn't it?
Yeah, it sounds
Mhm.
weird.
So you can tell
Right here.
that the amount of water, which is called volume, the amount, did it change even though the containers were shaped different? Roger? Hold on, excuse me. Roger, did the amount of water change even though they were in different containers? No, the water stayed the same. This water, the amount stayed the same, right,
I was
guys?
thinking that at first, like, okay, I think Miss Thompson, he wants to stare at me all the
Gentlemen,
day.
gentlemen.
Oh.
Okay. Felicia was trying to tell us something. We need to listen to Felicia. Roger, I need you back in your chair.
Dish broke.
Okay, I have a pencil you can borrow. Felicia, what were you trying to tell us?
First, I thought this was going to be more than all these, and this was going to be less because of the size of the bottles and how the water was holding.
No, it's not.
So, but then I started thinking that if
Felicia is speaking.
if I poured this one into a different bottle, it might be the same or a little different because you're just changing how the bottles are, and it looks like it's more.
It does look like it's more because
But
it's a
it's really
taller
shaped.
container, right? So it's the same amount of liquid, but in different. Okay, so I want you to listen here. Thumbs up. Roger, thumbs up. Do you understand that does the water change? Does the amount of the water change because we put it in a different shape?
Yeah.
True? The amount of water changed? True or false?
True.
True.
So hold on, listen to me. Did the amount of water change? Did it change from 1 cup to 2 cups because this was different?
Yes.
The amount of water stayed the same, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys, will you put your paperwork right here? Leave the water for Miss Thompson because I don't want to make a mess. And line up at the door. I have to get you in PE before I get in trouble.